If life gives you lemons, are you going to make lemonade? Are you going to sit there and be overwhelmed? Or are you going to think outside the box and clean your taps and clean your drain and wash your dishes with the lemons? Juice them, make yourself some lemon tea and some lemon meringue to go with the tea. Uh, what am I talking about? Ladies and gentlemen, the last, I would say, most part of this year and even a little bit of last year, life has been throwing me lemons, crates full of them. My life has taken unexpected turns. I've had news that I really didn't want to hear. Um, it things just got difficult. As I think you have realized through some of my other videos. And the fact that I have not posted as regularly as I wanted or should. But I also want you to realize that I had to go through a phase like a teenager. I'm going through my phase now. But yeah, I've been struggling with a lot of stuff. I have been like a prickly pear in some instances, you know, like that cactus, don't come near me, stay away. I want to be left alone. Um, because I had a lot of stuff to go through. I really, there was a lot of stuff happening in my life, making me feel a little bit overwhelmed, to be honest. Until I get to that point. Last week was one I was silent. I was silent. I didn't make videos. I didn't want to make videos. I didn't feel like it. I felt like I have been letting myself down in a way and letting the people watching down because my videos were getting dark. And I didn't want that. And I realized now I needed to go through some stuff myself. But I've also realized get out of your comfort zone. Think outside the box. I always told my children when they had, my learners when they had to write essays, think outside the box. So now I'm saying the same. You don't have to just make lemonade. Think outside the box. Um, and then you sit down and you start prioritizing what is important. And then you go from there. And then you embrace the new. Ladies and gentlemen, embrace the new. That's what I want to tell you today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Share, like, subscribe, buy me a coffee if you want to. Make yourself some lemon tea. See you next time.